Hello all, it's a Saturday night and I'm playing trains and synthesizers as well at the same time. I've just created a new timetable for train controller. I've refreshed the timetable because I had loads of redundant timetables, schedules and stuff that weren't used, so I'm starting fresh again. So I put a group of schedules together and made them into 3 sets of sequences for 3 different trains. So I'm gonna trigger this off now. So I'm gonna press the start the clock, and the clock is running 2 times speed, and it starts at midday, but it's not in real time, it's in fictional time. So I've triggered that, so that's going to trigger hopefully the TGV that's in the platform here, the SUD, and I've got that on a sequence where it'll work vice versa depending on what shuttle run it's doing. On train controller it'll just work out where it is and then accordingly get it moving. So that could be on platform 1 or platform 7, the TGV. Then I've got the Tiger, the yellow Tiger maintenance loco, which is there, that train with the roco skewing crane, which is a digital crane which is disabled. The clutch is disabled and that's free rolling at the moment. The Robo has just started up and done its sequence of starting up. That's ready to go out. Do a small little circuit on the 4th inner main line. And yeah, that's all. There we go. It's just moving off now. Just reversing out, and then we've got the TGV which is coming out nice and gracefully out of platform 1 to platform 7, or it could go from platform 7 to platform 1, just depending on where it is and the timetable. If it's out of position on the timetable, it'll still work vice versa from platform 1 to platform 7. It gets a bit complicated sometimes. But anyway, so that's a Robo there, just stopped. I'm just waiting for its next instruction from the train controller, so it'll probably trigger a route in a minute. And that is going to go, new route's been set, so that's going to go underneath the crane, the big crane there. Just do a couple of circuits. And I have got another added schedule route that goes onto the 3rd inner main line and then goes to the refueling depot, which is about there, but I don't really want it getting too complicated at the moment because that's just sticking to the 4th inner main line. So the TGV is building up speed on its build up lap. That's working really nice with the new motors that I installed. A bit disappointed with remodels though, because they never got back to me about the spare parts, and it's been about 3 or 4 months now. So the next train to go out is that one with the ESU engineering coach, and let's say that skewing crane is working with the clutch disabled because it is a powered crane, that, and that's just going to be a free rolling train. So that's got the go ahead to carry on. That's going to move off nice and easy. That's moving out the yard and doing its schedule. Got the Robo coming around again. Crane 1. That's scheduled to do just a random stop there. Every time it goes round it'll do a random pull over and then carry on again. You see how it's pulling off again. Beautiful little thing that, and yeah, so that's all I got on this new timetable at the moment. 3 trains, 3 very, very different trains or locos, and then that's just working its way across the back end of the turntable, through the tunnel, and then the robo will eventually park up on the other side of the yard, past the water tower, you know, pulling through that right, left hand point there, and just park up about here. And then you could continue the timetable with other sequences. You just build it up over time and get the right time slots for different trains. If the time slots are wrong, train controller won't release the train anyway. It'll wait and delay that train if there's a problem. But yeah, it's all working nice. Quite happy. They're my 2 latest roco trains, which are absolutely stunning, which I showed in the last video, one of the last videos anyway, so yeah, really happy with them. And of course got the transformer trains all in the yard there. That's hanging over. So you could get a low loader on that and take that off. That's all working nice. The roco skewing crane works. It's a heavy, really heavy crane that. And that sort of pulls it really nice with it being it's a 6-wheel drive loco. Pulling the telemetry coach, which is another heavy coach. So yeah, it's running, everything's running smooth. Like I say, next month will be my 15th year of the YouTube channel and the layout being built. I've had this 15 years now, the layout. I've not really done much with it over the years, but I just really enjoy running trains and doing all the automation on the trains. That's what I really enjoy doing. It's mind-boggling what you can do, and it does really test your brain, try to work out all the timings and routes, etc. Oh, another thing I did is I moved some buildings from the top end of the layout and put them into a corner there. At the top end of the layout, those buildings were at the station end of the terminus, and it was getting a bit cluttered, so I took some buildings off, separated them. So we've got a new route's been set for the TGV, and that's slowing down now coming into the station. As you can see there, I'll just catch up with that now, see if I can catch up with it underneath. Let's have watch this coming into the station now. There we go. Working all the way up. And it should come to a nice graceful stop about near the Herper loco. Right about there. And that's nice. Beautiful gradual stop. So anyway, that's just a quick run of the trains on a Saturday night, and hope everyone's okay, and thanks again for watching.